How do you do? I believe you are doing well. I have two packages to unbox with you this morning and to show you one I don't want to use that word. I want to show you what a seamstress has done to me. Okay, so I have these two things. I want to believe you know what this one is. This is a tripod and lights. Yeah, I got some lights here. Lights here, that is a new one. It's in a certain. Hey, where am I, Mr. Wade? No. Oh, okay. These are for they are for my Mr. Wade. We were supposed to have used them on her birthday. Nature still our birthday. Nature. Oh, okay. So, somewhere last year, Mommy Chewa broke my tripod and I've gotten a new one. I know it's very Mommy. Yeah. So I will shoot my first video with it for you to see something. I've got a new tripod. She said my Mr. West's name can rest. And I'm making my videos. So this is the tripod. Now let me show you the surprise, the shock I have for you. Rose upon my dear brothers and sisters in the Lord. Look at what a seamstress has done to me. My mom bought this lace for me. Took it to a seamstress. The person has charged me 90. That this is my first time sewing with her. She has been sewing for me. Just look at it. Look and see the length. See the length. The extra. Look at what she has done to me. Guys, we are preparing for the funeral, God willing, tomorrow. They've all gone to Karama is going to bring one or two from the market. So myself and matron and assistant matron and the main matron, we are here with our baby matron. She's also here with us. Everybody is gone, as I have said. My guys, the weather here. I left my winter jacket and boots in Kokoribia. That place is warm. It's warmer than this place. My father used to tell me that the weather here can be likened to cold. And I feel that especially in the night, we don't open windows. Like baby or baby. So we are relaxing. See what great grandmother is doing. I learned that for over a month, Mommy has not sucked the thumb, all because of this hack of Enu. But this night she was super hungry, so she trespassed. Hey, father.
You know, yeah, I used to understand.
So, Ramanyam for winning my Mokuna. Mommy, that chime is your baby, Yama. over here, the experience. And the twin, Rama, I'm probably about 1 pint yet.
The Janya has cracked us.
Today the sun has no chance of shining. Yes, it's gonna be rain. So we've moved the fire up here. Say I love you.
I love you.
I love you. I love you. Say I love you.
You.
I love 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 you. So I love you. Yes, very soon. Rama and nature. We'll be back. Now yeah, starting. So we want to start frying the. Okay. So Rama, nature and baby Sapo and Mommy Sewa. She said enemy. Me too. Enemy, me too. Okay, I left you out. In Sierra Money, Mammy Sewa, a bebana, yes, you know. Hey, church mother, let me, Mama, on that, no, Mama, where that? A day, Mamma, then I Mamma Mandy Nija. Auntie Becca, let your son see me. Listen, I'm more weekend. I have body and let me woo. Guys, look at apatre. This is fresh from Lake Busumtree. And I'm going to be man. This is fresh from Lake Busumtree. These 4 pieces, 50 Ghana, 500,000, 200, and get one away. When you know dear, and no DB. They say I'm not a corner. Who's inside the mouse with me? So I fed it. Wouldn't fufu, wouldn't bang, wouldn't shame. I make a can work. Wouldn't be ever for Rama, Abaya. I'm a pen, so but what did you mean? Now, no, so did not for you. And no, try to tell me. Well, Russians and foreigners for us after Auntie, lazy, I shall. I didn't want to say. I flew. The nose is in the friend, and I did not come on my ebony. I haven't been a friend, When I'm on Goka, no one can cover this and come over.